Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will design our home activity. Go to homeactivity.xml. Okay, let's change the our styles to no action bar. We don't need action bar, right? I think we need to change color as well. Go to color.xml. Add this color to color primary dark, and for the color primary as well, FFC107. Now let's set a background color for home activity. It is same as we have set a color to our color primary dark. Now you can see the UI. Okay, let's add some text view here. This will be our title for our app. We will add this title is photo editor. Let be center horizontal true. Margin would be 28 dp, and the text size would be 28 sp. Okay, and the text would be photo editor. This is our title. Now it's look good. Let's change the background color of our text view. I would choose a pink color. You can choose any color if you want, and the text color would be white, FFF. Now let's change the text style to bold. Let's add some padding. 20 dp is enough, I think, or 30 dp. Let's add okay, 30 dp is good. Now it's look really cool now for 25 dp padding. No, I think 30 dp is good now. Okay, now it's done for the text view. Oh, let's change the font family as well. Now our title of our home activity is done. Now let's add some image view here for styling. Please write as it is what I'm writing now here. I won't speak much. for designing now. You can just write it as what I'm writing here. Let's change the size of our image view here. I think 70 dB is good now. Now copy this image view. We need to add this to right as well. Align parent right. Let's set ID to BTN camera. Let's increase the size of the image. This will be 150, I think. 140. Change it to 150 dp. Just copy whole image view and paste it again for our gallery function. BTN gallery. And change the drawable to gallery. Let's add some margin top here. 20 dp. Now add some margin 25 dp. 30 dp is it look good now. 30 dp is enough. Let's change the size to 160 dp. Now it's look good really. 160 dp look good. Yeah. Let's add some extra design. Took this image as view as align parent, right? Okay. Now we will add some extra design as well for the our bottom layout, bottom side of our layout. Now our design is completed for our home activity.xml.